Hello guys, welcome to my channel Fabricate Dolls. In my channel, you will see a lot of details to transform your doll. It's about their dressing and it's about their makeover and also their hairstyle. I just want to tell you, I love doing this in my leisure time. What do you guys do? Can you just please drop a comment and let me know what type of hobby you have? And if you like my videos or not, you can just tell me in the comment section and drop a suggestion. I would love to talk about. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.